These are the Deadbolt RCA solderless plugs by Sewell. To make a high quality RCA cable using these plugs, first remove the outer casing. Then loosen the two set screws just enough for the cable to pass through. For this setup, I'm using XLR cable, but you can also use coax cable or your favorite high quality audio cable. You're going to need to strip a little over ½ an inch to expose the conductors. Since RCA only needs 2 conductors, you can twist the shielding and one of the conductors together to be used as a ground cable. Now you can feed the cable through the outer casing or you're not going to be able to put it on later. Then fold that ground cable back onto the jacket. You can trim the signal conductor as needed to fit into the inner barrel just right. Once you're happy with the length, insert the cable, making sure the signal cable goes inside the inner barrel, and tighten the screws. You can trim off any excess wires if needed. And finally, replace the outer casing, and that's it. Deadbolt RCA by Sewell.